Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about 6 tips to get rid of bad breath. How to fix bad breath permanently. Talking and interacting with someone with bad breath is one of the most undesirable social situations possible. If you have bad breath, it can be very distracting to the people you are talking with and will likely develop a negative reputation because of this. Although masking your bad breath with mint sprays and gums can work temporarily after a meal, it is not a good long-term solution for people with chronic bad breath. Bad breath, also known as halitosis, can have severe causes. The treatment for this condition will depend on the cause for each particular individual. Here are the following causes of chronic bad breath and how you can treat or cure this very unpleasant condition. The most common cause of bad breath is poor oral hygiene. Oral bacteria is responsible for bad breath. Proper oral hygiene is key to fixing this problem. Number 1. Brush and floss after eating. Plaque and tartar are the leading causes of bad breath, and the only way to get rid of it is to brush regularly, floss daily, and visit your dentist at least twice yearly for the professional cleanings. Not a believer in flossing? Next time you floss, smell it. Promise you will never question the value of flossing again. Number 2. Eat celery, carrots and apples. Snacking on foods like apples, celery and carrot can also help clean away loose food debris, giving your teeth a crisper, clean feeling. Not only are these snacks great for your body, but their fibrous skin can act like toothbrush and help reduce staining and plaque buildup. Number 3. Use a tongue scraper. Using a tongue scraper to scrape away gunk can also help keep bad breath germs at bay. Many toothbrushes, quap included, come with a tongue scrubbing feature on the back of their brush heads. Start from the back of your tongue and scrape towards the front, and you will be amazed at what you clean off. I personally prefer to do this first thing in the morning before I brush, allowing the toothpaste to settle its minty scent onto a nice clean surface. Number 4. Butt out. Along with causing a host of other health problems, smoking is also awful for your teeth, germs and breath. Quitting is achievable, and there is every growing number of resources, alternatives and quitting aids out there to help. Number 5. Medications. Dry mouth is a leading cause of bad breath, and a huge reason people suffer from dry mouth is because of prescription medication use. Talk to your doctor about your dry mouth and see if an alternative medicine can be used instead. If not, try products like biotin or GC dry mouth gel to help boost saliva flow. Number 6. Water, not mouthwash. A common misconception is that mouthwash will help freshen your breath, when the truth is it actually throws off your mouth natural pH balance and dries your mouth out further, making your bad breath problems even worse. So an easy and healthy path to freshen breath is to drink a lot of water. This will keep your mouth from getting dry and promote your saliva to regulate bacteria. Fill up a large BPA-free water container and take it to work with you each day. For daily hacks on the human body, subscribe to our channel, then tap the bell icon to be notified on our newest videos. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share with it to your friends.